Hello everyone, this is Eclipse back with another video. Now this video is going to be a little bit different from what I normally do. So I'm going to keep it as short as possible because the aim of this video is to give you guys an update on where we are right now with the channel and what's my future plan with it. With that being said, before we jump into me giving you the updates, I would love to walk you guys down the memory lane a bit of my experience with acrylic pouring, shall we? So, acrylic pouring, where do we begin? I started acrylic pouring in the month of May the 1st. That was when I first poured my first piece. If I have the picture of the piece, I will put it somewhere here, maybe. Hopefully I still have the picture. So that was the start. Before that, I was doing my second year in architecture, and within the major there's fine art class, and we were studying watercolor. And the reason why I stumbled upon acrylic is that the way I use my watercolor, I apply it with the lack of water. So the result would come out a little bit opaque than what normal people do with their watercolor. And then my teacher at the time, my lecturer, she said that I have the tendency to do that. So she said that watercolor is not my thing. She would recommend that I would go and look for something more opaque. And then she introduced me to acrylic. And now, me and acrylic, I didn't know anything about acrylic. So I jumped onto my trusted platform in the entire world, YouTube, to learn more about this. And that's when I stumbled upon a video about acrylic pouring. It's more of a love at first sight, actually. And then fast forward a few days, I ended up ordering everything I need to do acrylic pouring, and May the 1st was the day I did my first pouring. Now fast forward a few months to February 9th, 2019. That was when I returned home on my winter break to Cambodia and have my first exhibition ever in Phnom Penh, my hometown. And back then, if I'm not wrong, I was the first one to actually work on this medium because the public, it's still new to the public and I have to explain to them what it is. So by far as I am concerned, I'm probably the only few, if not the only one working on this medium right now. But I'm not quite sure, let's just not go there. I'm not claiming anything. I'm already happy just to be working here on this medium. So that was my first exhibition. It went really well. And then fast forward a few more months, 6 months actually, to August, mid-August, somewhere probably August 15. That was when this channel was born. If you guys want to check out my first ever video, I'm gonna link it in the card up here. The main aim of this channel is to first keep track of my improvement and development in this medium, and second, to share this type of art with everyone out there who have a passion and love for this sort of medium of art. But there's also two more reasons, which actually burns down to one thing. I would love to get my channel monetized so that I can earn a tad bit more for my study. Yes, you heard it. I am still a student. I'm right now doing my 5th year in architecture. So earning a tad bit more is probably good for me. So the aim was to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year. And as of right now, we are a few days away from August the 15th, and 1,026 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, hopefully, because last time I checked I was still 4 hours short. all of these accomplishments, all thanks to you guys, each and every single one of you out there who have always been supporting me since day one. My first video went out and now we're at probably the 70 plus. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at keeping track of things. And yep, my goal has been reached. Thank you guys so much. I'm so blessed to be able to sit here in front of the camera or behind the camera doing shooting, making pours and sharing with you guys. I am so blessed and honored. Now with all of these goals being reached, what's next? God, why does it sound so dramatic? I'm just kidding. No drama here, no sad thing, just happy thing. So what's the next plan for me and this channel? I don't know if you guys are happy to see this, but I am so happy because I just bought this. I'm not sure if I can get it in the camera. The new 2020 iPad Pro with my savings. Yes, I finally saved enough money to get myself an iPad Pro. And this will be a part of the new plan for this channel. As you guys know, that iPad Pro has this one app called Procreate. It's actually work on many things, but it just works so well with iPad Pro and the iPad and the Apple Pencil. So my plan is to start doing and expanding my skill in digital art, even though I don't know which direction I'm gonna go yet, but either way, I will try my best to incorporate acrylic pouring into it because let's be serious here, let's be real. I can't forget my root, can I? Acrylic pouring has been the base and I have grown so much over the year of working with it. With that all being said, that's my new plan. But don't think that I will stop post video of pouring. No, I will keep on posting pouring video. It's just that I will be scheduling when to post pouring video and when to post video of me doing digital art. Now with that being said, I hope you guys keep on supporting me because it means a lot to me. And thank you guys so much once again. I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Actually, I did already have a sketch on the iPad. It's just that your boy forgot to hit record. So what I'm left with is this recording footage within Procreate app, but I'm just gonna give you guys a look at what I want to do with this new plan. So enjoy the video and I'll see you in the next one.